not
I
on
want
this show.
everybody to know, and I'm.
We're not doing that on this show. Hi everyone, how are you? Special announcement. It's been a while. What's the special announcement?
I'm not sure.
You don't know what the special announcement is?
You think?
I am not pregnant.
I can't take that.
Is that fine?
No. If it was a client, I would answer my phone if a client calls.
But we have a special announcement. Did anybody go to the NAR convention? WZ, did you go to the NAR convention? Can't wait. Oh, it's good. It's good.
So,
So do you remember?
Did you hear me talking? Go ahead.
You go first, and then I'll tell the
Go
better
ahead.
side. No, you go first.
I just think that God has. What do you? Don't use. I don't know where your lips been. Don't use my. I'm just one of the chosen ones. That's all I need to say.
That's all you need to say?
Mm-hmm.
So if
I'm one of God's favorites.
You are?
Yes.
So you're blessed and highly favored?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I am. All the time.
So if you went to the NAR convention in San Francisco and you went to the general session, you know who spoke at the general session.
MJ Magic Johnson.
Not Michael Jordan. Magic Johnson.
I said MJ Michael
You
Magic
You
Johnson.
were trying to figure out how to get on stage, how to get up there with him.
Because I wanted to, like,
Back up, he was tall. He was huge to Zeke.
I'd have been like, boy, back in my younger days, boy, I'd have gave you a run.
No, you wouldn't have.
You don't know. I got skill.
You might be able to be faster than him now.
Yeah, he's a little bit slow. He's a lot slower. Because I'm pretty quick right now. And we almost right. How old is he? He's a little older than me.
I think they're older than us.
Yeah, about a whole lot. But I wanted to bump Chesson.
Oh, when he did that? You
Yeah.
did? You was going to do it?
I
Did
was
you
gonna
jump
do
that
it.
high?
I would have. I'd have probably been sore the next day, but I would have jumped up there.
So, the now past president, John Schmaby of the National Association of Realtors, wore some Converse gym shoes out on stage.
Laker
And
colors.
that was a little casual for him, he said. And he said that he was going to have the gym shoes autographed by Magic Johnson. And then he said he was going to raffle them or one of them off. And he said he would raffle them off, but you had to send him a text message to be in the raffle. So who do you think had the cell phone number of the National Association of Realtors president? Me or him?
Whose phone did you have?
I had my own phone.
Oh. Okay.
Well, so who do you think had it? So for those of you watching, I'll just tell you, I'm the one that had the NAR president's cell phone number. So the great wife that I am,
Yes, you are.
I held my phone up and said, do you want to text him too? So Marc sends a text message. So, should we open this box and then tell the story?
Sure. I'm gonna let you do the honors.
No, you do it.
Why do you? Okay, I'll do it.
What are you doing?
I'm doing something.
You gonna do another video of the unboxing?
No, here.
Oh, I'll get the videotape. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and videotape. Hey, Arshay.
Did y'all see it have my name on it?
Why does it have your name on it?
Wait a minute.
You don't want them to see your home address? Somebody might be looking for you.
It's got my name on it. You know, I don't play that.
We can find you.
It don't matter about you finding me. It's what's gonna happen when you do.
Hold on, because I stopped videotaping.
That don't mean I gotta stop. I need some sharper utensils.
Sharper.
Uh,
He's working hard.
my
Guess
birthday-
what this
My
is?
birthday present too.
Well, Marc's birthday is next. Marc, you don't know how to unbox. Be careful.
Wow. Wait a minute. You gotta take this out gently. Oh, shoot.
He cleaned it up, Arshay. You hear that? He cleaned it
Oh,
up.
shoot. Look at there. Look at there. What that say? Can y'all see it? See?
So you think John maybe kept the other shoe? You gonna put the shoe on?
This is Magic Johnson.
What do you guys might have the same size shoe? You and President, maybe past president.
Nah, this is a 12.
Your feet are bigger.
I wear 12 and a half. But there it is. Magic Johnson.
Get close.
Magic Johnson. If you are looking, if you are watching this, this is the best thing I have ever won in my entire life. I thank you. I even got the video of you signing this shoe. Now, if you would like to send me a pair of your shoes, I will make sure when you walk in my front door, they will be.
You think he's gonna come to your house?
No, he ain't got. He could just send them to me. But I guarantee you, when people walk in, they gonna be like, "What you doing with shoes?" Those Magic Johnson shoes. One of the elite point guards in the NBA.
Look at Josh.
Hell yeah. This is it. This made my year. And you know,
And let me say,
wait a minute, excuse me. That's my speech. And after becoming a realtor, when you go to events like
with
this,
what company?
I am with Marc Realty Group. But when you become a realtor and you participate in these conferences and you go, you learn, you eat, you socialize, you network.
Do you drink?
Some people drink.
Do you drink?
No, I'm the watchman. But things like this happen. So to all of y'all, I wish all of y'all could have got one, but I did. Michelle.
He tried to call you.
Michelle, I told you before I left that this was gonna happen. Now, if you want to come and take a picture with my shoe, you are more than welcome to. Anybody that wants to take a picture with my Magic Johnson shoe, hit me up and we can do a photo shoot. Because next time we take photos, even on our professional photos, the shoe gonna be right there. So I just want to thank y'all for watching and tuning in of the unveiling of the Magic Johnson
winner
shoe. And yes, hang around with me and I will show you. What's up, my little sister? Yes, I won the Magic Johnson autograph shoe. You know how we do. All right. Thank y'all very much. And have a great day. Go learn something. Go sell a house.
Go to the National Association of Realtors Convention in New Orleans. Start saving your money now. It's in November.
And y'all hang with me. You might win.
You might be a winner.
Yep.
I didn't have to give you the cell phone number. So basically, I think.
Do you want to take a photo with me with my shoe? Come on. I'll let you take one. You just always got to put yourself in there. You just always. But I'm going to let you, because you ain't right. I'm going to let you take a picture with me. Come on. Because you ain't going to rest until you get a picture. Come on. Come on around here.
You got so much junk.
Don't worry about all of that. Just come on so you can get you a picture.
The shoe is not even in the photo.
All you need to see is Magic Johnson. That's all you need to see. All right. Thank y'all.
Go to the convention.
See y'all soon. Bye.
So, see ya.